Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Grammarly from computer. To remove Grammarly from a computer, the steps will vary depending on whether you have a Grammarly desktop application or the browser extension installed. Here's how to uninstall in both cases. First is removing the Grammarly desktop application. Open your control panel. After that, click on Uninstall a Program button. Here, find Grammarly for Windows and click on Uninstall button and follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Second is to remove the Grammarly browser extension. Open up your browser and click on extension icon here. On the Grammarly, you can see 3 dots at the right side of the extension. Here, click on Remove from Chrome and again click on Remove. After removing Grammarly from your computer or browser, it's a good idea to restart your browser or computer to ensure all changes take effect. If you need to reinstall Grammarly on the future, you can always download it again from Grammarly's website. So that is how you can remove Grammarly from computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.